All right, let's take a look at Metadata Studio. Metadata Studio is our prompt engineering platform that makes it easy for developers and administrators to manage their org with artificial intelligence. Now, first, I'm going to approach Metadata Studio from the perspective of an end user who's just going to use the prompts. And in that case, it's really simple. When you first come to the product, you'll see all of our example prompts over here at left, and you can just read the tooltips to see what they all do, or you can select them and take a look at how they're structured. And if your prompt engineer has built additional prompts for your org, those will be available under My Prompts, or you can just look at all prompts is another way to do it. All right, in order to run a prompt, you just select it. Here's an interesting one. Let's analyze our validation rules for conflicts. And over here at right, you can read the description of the prompt or look at the text of the prompt itself. And to run it, you just click the Submit button. So let's run this prompt. It wants us to select some validation rules to analyze. And there we go. It generates a report with the conflicts, problems, and duplicate functionality in the selected validation rules. And of course, that can be exported. So let's look at another one here. This prompt right here will create descriptions for every node of a flow. So let's give that one a chance. Select a flow, and there we go. In this case, it created a new description for this flow, and for all of these other nodes, it also created a description. So now this flow is completely documented. Now, if you go to the bottom here, you'll see that you can validate the asset. And what this will do, we'll do a test deployment of the flow and make sure that it's valid for your org. And here we go, no errors were reported. And at this point, we can either export the asset as a file for Salesforce DX, or we can actually deploy the asset into the current org. So that's really about it. If you're an end user, these prompts are easy to use. We have prompts to document your org, to look at best practices, at security, to create XML assets of various types, even analyze your role hierarchy and all of your different assignment rules and escalation rules. We have prompts to create descriptions and compliance and security information. So a whole host of useful things that you can do.